How to change Zoom channel type. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Zoom channel type easy and fast from public to private or from private to public. So first thing, go to Zoom app. Now let's just choose any channel. I'm gonna choose this one, and now go to the top right here, click on this icon here, and then go down until you find more options. Click on more options right here, and you will find this option of channel type. Now right here, click on it and choose if you want it public or private as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you later.